What's up guys, it is Watch Chris back for Jomashop, and today we're doing a 3-watch collection. However, with a twist, we are doing it all within one brand, and we have chosen Tissot. We have a 3-watch collection from Tissot, so let's flip the camera and take a look at the first choice. Tissot makes some really great affordable watches. All 3 picks in this video are automatic. All 3 powered by the same movement, the Powermatic 80, which is an incredible automatic movement from ETA. It has 80 hours of power reserve. So the first watch on this list is a dress watch. The Gentleman from Tissot is a great everyday watch. It has 100 meters of water resistance, sapphire crystal. It's an automatic powered by the Powermatic 80, and usually these have a sunburst dial with a metallic effect. These have applied indices and come in at 40 millimeters. A really great everyday watch that looks a little bit like a Datejust. Next on the list is the Tissot PRX. It's one of the best looking affordable integrated bracelet watches on the market. And of course, this is also powered by the Powermatic 80 that you can see from the back Sapphire. This gets an integrated bracelet, a textured dial. It's very thin. You get 100 meters of water resistance, and I have to say it has one of the best bracelets for the money. It blows every micro brand out of the water for around the same price. Also, this looks like a little bit of AP for the wrist without having to pay AP money. Last but not least, we have the Tissot Seastar 1000, one of the best Swiss automatic dive watches out there. It's super affordable and very good looking. It of course gets a Powermatic 80 as well, just like the other watches on this list. In 43 millimeters, you're getting a ceramic bezel, lots of lume, sapphire crystal, tons of specs for not a lot of money. And that's why it's on this list, the Tissot Seastar 1000, one of the best affordable dive watches out there. Anyway guys, that's my 3 choices. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. We had the Gentleman, the PRX, and of course the Seastar 1000. 3 amazing affordable watches that really cannot be beat in their price point. Tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. I want to hear from you guys. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon. It's super helpful for the channel and we very much appreciate it. Anyway, thank you for logging on. We'll catch you in the next video.